So, hey mga kabalan, yung update nga. Tomorrow, we are going to LU with the Circle of Friends of Raven since college. Right now, they are cooking. We are with Jerome and Larry right now. But tomorrow, makakasama na namin yung iba. 6 AM yung alis namin. Ito na sila. They are super busy. They are cooking a lot of seafoods. Look. So yan guys, they have shrimp, crab, and then shells. Yan, so laki niyan, sobrang dami niya. Hindi lang siya laga guys, isasangkapan siya mamaya ni Raven with sauce. Jerome, Larry, hi! Raven! So yan, they are busy right now. Kasi ako naman, nakapagsahin na rin ako. Tumulong din ako ng konti, and then we are going to sleep. Ayan, lipat. Kasi bakit kayo nga? Kate. O, lipat kayo na. O, karingatlo. Lipat rin yan. Tulungan ko pala.
Voice tayo, diba?
Ano yan? Mag-gay ko mag-mic ko dito. Para diretsong edit niya. So yun everyone, wala tayong tulog ngayon. Kahit wala tayong tulog laban. So nag-stop over muna kami dito sa Tarlac yata to. KM 134 northbound. Pahinga lang and then later go na kami. So ito yung na-rent nilang van. So yun guys, we are here at Ago, La Union. It's currently 8:09. I'm with Sherry.
Hi!
Ganda, di ba?
Ay, yes. Thank you po.
Ano pork. So yung iba nag-order na rin. So ayan sila.
Iba po yung sabi yung coffee.
Hi. Sasang. Pat. Hi. Hi guys. Hi.
Breakfast na,
Shanty.
guys.
Here's my food. We have bread, hash brown, patties, and egg. Also coffee.
Magipag-breakfast kay Dre. That's it, guys. Magkiki-vlog-vlog ako.
Ako ka kanya vlog.
True. Mali makanagin kong apa.
Nanakit ka diba?
Kamyate. Yung galupya kung nga siyang anit. Kalagot ginamiyate. Lagmakan niya pinyo.
Oh my god guys, I love when I start my morning with protein. It blows my mind.
Egg yung kain. Egg ang pong beef. Start na ka na yung food na with protein.
Oh, hi! Pasok na.
Camera.
Ben! So yun guys, hindi kami natuloy yung punta dun sa falls dito sa La Union. The reason is, sobrang tarik niya, sobrang taas. Nagsusukan yung mga kasama namin. Siyempre, sobrang mahal din niya. 750 kada 5 katao and then 50 pesos na entrance pa. So hindi na kami tumuloy. 11 na, so 2 oras lang kami. Kasi kailangan na namin bumalik para mag-work. And then dumiretso na lang kami dito. So dito sa dadaan namin or river. Look at those guys. They are enjoying the view. There. Hello! So yun mga kabalen, gabi na, 8:30 PM yata. Tapos magdi-dinner muna kami. Nag-workout na rin ako after mag-workout. Nakapagluto na sila and then I will show you what they cook. Guys, we have caldereta. Beef caldereta. Nandiyan kasi na? Bicol Express. So there. Let's eat. So I will show you the outfit check of Circle of Friends. So guys, the gang is here at Flat Sound Fun House. So guys, ito pala ang go-to ng mga millennials. So guys, alam ko may kutay dana. So
guys, if you're in the bar, you don't have an opener, can opener. Ito na lang. So you have to learn how to open the bottle to bottle.
Bata na kabalik.
Mga kabalen! Open it all.
Kabalik.
Cheers!
Magsasang batong daki!
Ulit.
Monica, inuman me. Go! Kaya mo yan! Go! Yes! Happy birthday, Da! Go, Madam Barbara! Mat.
So they are doing Zumba.
Can I shake that thing, miss? And I better shake that thing, yeah. Donna, Jody and Rebecca, woman get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy, get crunked up, percolate anything you want. Because it's oscillating if I don't take pity. Want to see you get live on the rhythm of my ride. And my lyrics up about electricity. Girl, nobody can do you nothing, cause you don't know your destiny. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us, you know they care with us, them not war with us. Them want flex with us, to get next with us, them can't vex with us. From the day my born, take light my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is for fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till the early morning. Let's get it on till the early morning, girl. It's all good, just turn me on. Girl, don't sweat it, don't get agitated. Girl, go and rotate, cause anything you want, you know you must get it. Come in here, my mention, don't ease the tension. Girl, run the program, just walk with it. Yo, have a good time, girl, free up on the mind. Can't this a man rolling it. You are the number one girl, wave your hand with them to the wedding band. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us. You know they car with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next to us, them not vex with us. Them want to ignite my flame. Call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till the early morning. Let's get it on, let's get it on till the early morning, girl. It's all good, just turn me on.
So guys, after party, yan, we are walking to find some bars. So update lang everyone, we are now in Tavern by the Sea. Yung flat sum kasi hanggang 12 lang sila. Kaya we decided to go to other bar. Late na rin kami dumating. Buti na lang, may tavern. So this is the tavern. 5 to 10 minutes, lakad lang. Malapit lang siya sa dun sa pinunta namin nung last. So ang dami niyang seat available. And then ang dami doon sa tabi ng sea. So guys, this is their bar. Nag-order na si Riva ng alak. So dito kami nakahanap ng pesto. Ayan. Ayan, yung mga friends. Circle of friends. Tapos doon banda, may sa sea. So guys, we are done here in Tavern by the Sea. It's currently 1:21. Hindi pa kami okay! Hanap pa kami ng, ng tequila. And then, sana may lemon. Tingin pa kami sa 7-Eleven. Ito yung mga kasama ko. So, ayan. Tomba-tomba na sila. Hindi na kaya. Oh, look. Hindi na kaya. Birthday! Niriri! Ngayon! Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Riri! Get out!
Giniblapsong niya kami ng bola.
Thank you, Riri, for free Cuervo. Libre niya kami. Na-meet lang namin siya sa 7-Eleven and then Tigalubaw lang sila. Nilibre pa nila kami ng alak. So, ang sobrang bait. Actually, na-video ko sila kanina. You will see it, guys.
Thank you, Riri!
Thank you, Riri! So, we are drunk. Yung kasama namin, umiyak, humiga na. So, ayan.
Baka kayo! Anong ginawa kayo? Anong ginawa kayo?
Wala pong ginawa kayo,
Lasing na
man!
siya.
Anong ginawa kayo?
Lasing na siya. So, ayan.
Ay, Bisaya Park!
So ini, malasing ni Cherry. Dapat kayo naman may pa. So dapat pakabiyayan tayo. Magsha-shot kami ngayon. So humiga muna sila. Which is hindi dapat sila humiga. Dapat magsha-shot muna kami mga kabalen. So I am with Sunny and Daddy. Raven, they are still alive and kicking. And Sesang! Sesang, what happened, Sesang? So guys, nandun muna kami sa apartment. Ito mga walang yang to. Nagiga-iganain. May ibinila pa kaming alak. O, kate. O, nangasabi mo, kate.
Ay, naku po, tao pag rin bubo.
Ali, birthday boy. Birthday boy. Nangasabi yung birthday boy. Oh, yung pinaka-boss. Yung pinaka-boss sa Maselan. O, pakyo ka no. Mag-shut up, o. Larry, mag-shut up, o.
Tara na! Inom pa tayo!
O, inom pa tayo. Walang papahinga. Nasa apartment. Naman kami, nasa apartment na kami. So, pasensya na. Irony ko na ba na mag-edit dito kasi napaka-gulo namin. Magwala lang. Puta rin na. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami mag-shot. Dala ko na rin ako na-cleanse. Eh, babae. Ay, buri ko yan. Dala ko na rin ako buri mo.
Sino ko na nag-iblamot sa akin mo?
Dala ko na rin ako na-cleanse. Eh, nanibalo.
Uy, nadala ko na.
Lala ko din kay Nanong Osken, contact lens, mag-reklamo mabulok yung ano. Pulutan namin to guys. Yan. So, yun everyone. After namin mag-party outside, I am with Jerome, Chandy, Sunny, and Darrell and Larry. So, kami na lang ang natira. Lasing na sila. So, kami na lang natira dito sa rooftop. Buti na lang, thanks Lord. May rooftop itong rent namin. So, hi. Ito yung mga kasama ko ngayon. Buti na lang may foods kami. Happy birthday, Darrell. Guys, buti na lang. May foods kami. Natira kanina. We have rice, guys. And then we have Bacon Express. So, Bacon Express naman pala. Ayan. Nga kabalen, update lang. It's 4 PM at kakagising ko lang. Ngayon lang ako umayos kasi talagang tinamaan ako sa ininom namin kahapon. So nakarami ako. Bad yun. Hindi na ako nakalabas. Ngayon, lalabas kami. Punta kami ng Kermit para kumain. Hindi ko alam kung kakain sila kasi sila kumain na ako. Hindi pa eh. Let's see. So ayun guys, we are here at Kermit. Ganda ng place dito. Para siyang Siargao. At yung Kermit, na-try din namin siya. So hindi na siya bago sa amin. Na-try na rin namin siya nung nasa Siargao. Sobrang sarap. Legit siya. Italian food siya. Western Italian food. So ayan yung makikita niya. So we are here at Kermit, La Union. And then ang makikita nyo doon is beach. Ayan. Lakas ng alon ngayon kasi umuulan. Let's eat! Okay guys! Ganyan talaga siya, bread na. Oh, salmon. Try the salmon. Scallops. Salmon. Siyang shells. Try the salmon. Ano ba? Salmon. Seafood linguine. Seafood linguine. So yun guys, mga ipa-welcome drink sila. Sige po, ote.
I'll get one going fast. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, Nani Dare. Birthday, Nani Dare. Birthday, Nani Dare. Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Dare. Get out. Happy birthday, Dare.
sino ang mahuhuli, siya yung magugas ng tigas. So, ito yung mga magugasan. So, there. Diba? Ang dami. So, ayan guys. Andyan lahat ng name namin. Ito yung mga name namin. Tapos, sinong makakauna, siya yung matatanggal. And then, kung sino yung mahuhuli, siya yung magugas ng pinggan. Save si Monica.
Amen na bot yung manos. Ay nanakwan yung safe.
Sani yan. Sani.
Ay, naputa muna isda! Isda!
Yun ay Darren! Yung isa yung magugas ng pinggan. So, siya na magugas ng pinggan.
Ngayon ka rin naman yung bako.
Ay, oo!
Darren! So, yun guys, update lang. It's 3:11 AM. For yung alis namin. Hindi na kami nakatulog. Nagpunta na kami 7-Eleven, ni Cherry at ni Riven. O ayan, food trip kami tatlo. Hi. So, yan binili namin. Mga nigiri, cup noodles, and then tinapay. Sa kanya, chicken nuggets. Tapos egg yan. Kaya Riven yan. So, uwi na kami guys. See you later. Update na lang ako. Mamaya na lang ako mag-outro. So yun guys, we're going na 4 AM, all pack up. Lakunta niya po siguro ilari, dinuro niya pa ka rin kaya diretso ka. Guys, ito na kami, southbound. Stopover muna dito sa Jollibee. Tapos ang galing, may kiosk na sila doon. Look, may kiosk na sila. Like McDo. So yun guys, kumain muna sila sa Jollibee. Yan sila. Eh, laki ng chicken, oh. Laki ng chicken. Paano yung chicken mo? Laki. Ano yung chicken yan? Ano? Chicken.